Welcome to Code.io. This is the first class for our Python for Beginners course. Today our objectives will be, we will give a short introduction to Python, we'll install Python in our system, we'll install Python IDE in your system, and we'll write our first Python. So let's begin. We will go to google.com and type python.org. Click enter, and the first link we can see welcome to python.org. We will click on that. We'll click on the downloads tab. So this is the downloads tab. We can download, as you can see, there are many versions of Python, so any version you want you can download from here, but we will download the latest version of Python. So we'll click on the download button. The Python is downloaded. We'll click on the exe file. Once it is opened, okay, now it is opened. So first, one of the important things, you need to check the add python.exe to path. So it will add the Python to your command line prompt. Now we'll wait for some time. Okay, so our Python was successfully installed. Now to check that, we will go to our home screen. We will go to search. We will type Python. As we can see here, Python 3.11. So Python is successfully installed in our system. Now we will head to the next part, that we'll again go to google.com. We will type Pycharm, Pycharm. Then the first link we can see, we'll click on the first link, and here we will go to the download tab. We'll click on the download. As you can see, there is two versions, but the community version we will download because it is free. Click on the download. It should download. Yes, so download has been started. It is a very big file, so it will take some time. Okay, so it has been downloaded. We'll click on that, and our setup is ready. We'll click on next. It is by default. You can leave it, or you can check the .py. Next, we will click on install. Let it install. Pycharm IDE is also installed. We'll click on finish. So we have successfully installed Pycharm in our system. Now we will click on the icon in the home screen in Pycharm. We'll open Pycharm in our system. So first we will go to the 4 lines file, and we'll create a new project. So we'll click on the new project. Here you can leave everything by default. Okay, I will uncheck this create now. Now our project has been created. Again, we will go to that 4 line. We will go to file, and now this time we will create a new file. So we'll click on new, click on Python file. We will give a name of our Python file. We will give for our first Python program. So our first Python program .py is created. Now we'll write print open parenthesis hello world. Okay, then we'll go to the play button. We will run the program. So our first program has been run successfully. So we can see, so congratulations, you have successfully ran your first program. in Python.